Today I will show you the manufacturing process of CNC. Okay, let's go. First of all, we can see the raw material of this workpiece. It's made of aluminum, and this is tool required for processing these workpieces, which is a GPU. Let's take a look at this machine. It's the one responsible for processing these workpieces. And here is our craftsman, and this is a machine of HC4500 model. This is a machine object. Right now, it's in the process of processing. This workpiece has 3 surfaces in total. First, we process the entire top surface and the bottom surface, and then up the edge we knock off the edge, and then we process the side of surface.